Hi, I'm Nate and this is Brandy. We're going to demonstrate an exercise called the Triceps Kickback. This exercise is designed to work the triceps muscles in the back of the arm. It's a great exercise for the beginner to work the triceps, a pretty basic exercise. So I'm going to step off camera and let Brandy demonstrate the exercise. I'm going to hold the dumbbell in one hand, then lean forward from your waist and support your body weight with your free hand on the front of your thigh. Keep the upper arm of the weighted hand fixed to your side and bend the arm to 90 degrees. Then push the weighted hand back until the arm is straight and slowly lower to the starting position. You want to exhale as you're pushing the weight back and inhale as you return it to the starting position.